What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back to another video on this beautiful. It's cold. It's a beautiful day, though. It's a beautiful day. Don't get that confused. All right, coming up, we're having days of 18 degrees for like 3 days. I have a greenhouse, but it doesn't have an electrical source. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to keep my babies nice and toasted, baby. All right, now let me explain to you the parts I got and why I got them, yada, yada, yada. All right, this is a BioGreen Palmer greenhouse heater. Reason I got this one, you can't submerge it in water, but it's semi-waterproof. I mean, if you get a lot of humidity and you get water dripping from here, if a drop or two drop on it, it's okay. It's okay. But you can't submerge it in water. You can't say, I want to take a hot bath and drop this in the water. That's not how that works. Okay. So that is my heat source. I have an EcoFlow Max. Hey, screen cool though, look. And of course, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. But that will be my power source. And this is an Inkbird. And this will keep my temperature exactly where I want. I can regulate my temperature through this. And here is the probe that keeps up with the temp on the inside. My Inkbird plug. And what my heat source plugs into. Okay? Now y'all ready to hook it up and see what happens? Well, let's go then. What we waiting on? All right. So first thing, my heater. Take the plug and I plug it into the Inkbird. It has one for cooling and heating. I'm heating. And I'm gonna tape this down where it stays here. Matter of fact, let's do that now. All right. I got that. Of course you can't see that. But I got some two-sided 3M tape put to the back side. Boom, we ready. So let's take our heater cord, plug in, secure the plug. All right, there's something else. I'm gonna tape this probe wire somewhere if I can get it all apart. All right, so here my probe, my power plug. Yeah, y'all, bear with me, y'all. Please bear with me. I didn't want to put it on the tripod because I wanted some up close shots of exactly what I'm doing. So all right, we got it. That's my probe. I don't know, I'm gonna put the probe here till I figure out exactly where I want to put it. Ideally, I'm gonna have it hanging out the rafters. Yeah, tape it to the rafters. So yeah, you understand what I'm saying. All right, so this is my plug from the Inkbird. Gonna plug it into the EcoFlow Max. This is a 600 watt version. Just gonna do that. All right, got that. Gonna turn it on. She fully charged. Turn it on. Port where we at. All right. So now the Inkbird is on. So I have it sighted 32. Why does it look like it's flashing on here and not here? But either way, you see 32 flashing across there. All right, I got 32. Current temp is 59 in here. So it shouldn't kick on until it gets to 39. Let's test that theory. Move the cord out the way. All right. Off, fan, heat. We want heat, y'all. Get the cords out the way. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something with these cords. I don't like this. So, don't have heat because it's not 32 degrees. And I got it to the lowest setting. It's not using any power. So let's change this so we can see it work. So let's go up to say 59. So let's put it on 70 just to see. All right, 70 side at 70. So now it's starting to kick on. Now, for this setting, while it's running, I can run for 18 hours, y'all. I don't need that much time. All I need is 10 hours. So that's at the lowest setting is on. And it's gonna run until it gets to 70 degrees in here and it's gonna cut off. So that is 19 hours worth of power. It's running. Y'all see it's running. So that is how I plan on keeping this greenhouse warm, and it's using 33 watts. So yeah. All right, I want to show you the display screen for the Inkbird app. All it does is just tell you the current temperature. So there you go. No more guessing. All right, this is a couple of settings inside the Inkbird app. You got the heating difference value. I mean, whether 3 degrees off, you good. Cooling difference value. It don't matter. High temperature alarm. The temp get too high, it goes off. Has a low temperature alarm. And Fahrenheit and Celsius. All right, y'all. I showed you to set up everything I'm trying to do. Send prayers out to my citrus that they make it through. Couple things I want you to keep in mind. We do all this because we love our citrus and we love the fruits we get from it. Now, would it be easier just to grow stuff that thrive in my temperature that I can leave outside? Yeah. But then I wouldn't have oranges, lemons, kumquats, and all this other great stuff that I enjoy eating. Best thing to do though, make sure each plant that you buy, you make sure what it's cold hardened down to. It's very important. All citrus don't have the same cold hardness. So make sure you know what plants thrive in what temperature and what temperature kills those plants. Check. All right, next thing, the setup I got works for me. I bought one piece at a time. I had the EcoFlow already. I bought the greenhouse heater maybe 2 years ago, and I bought the Inkbird last year. It's kind of pricey setup, I think, mostly because of the EcoFlow, but it's worth it. Because I want my babies to stay warm and I want my babies to be okay. So however you do business, If you got some ways that you think I can improve my setup or some couple things I can do to tweak it a little better to make it run even better, put it down in the comments below. But enjoy this winter, enjoy your citrus. Don't let them babies die. Don't let them babies die. All right, little bonus footage. Another reason I'm gonna keep everything warm, I'm starting early on my herbs. I caught these on sale at my local nursery. Lavender, parsley, pineapple sage, a little dill if you please, and some Italian oregano. Ooh. Please keep these babies warm. Please keep these babies warm.